see him back again?
I
Oh,
would,
yeah, for
yes.
We'll make a note of it. What do you think about the show?
Very beautiful. I love it.
Would you like to see them again?
Yes, I would definitely.
Bring them back?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Member of the book club, the Seaside Urban Book Club, and we support all these different activities. And it makes me happy to see all these young kids so happy, looking at the different animals, looking at the dogs. But come and join us. This is a wonderful thing to be part of.
Time of today's program. I hope you'll all join us for the next one. We do them quite regularly, and I hope you'll come on board.